Dear friends, welcome to Learning About. In this video, I'm going to share information regarding EPAM recruitment for the batch 2022. Now, this is for the hiring of junior software engineer. Now, I'll share whatever details, I have almost all the details, whatever information I have, I'll share in this video. And if you like this video, click on the like button. And if you are not already subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. And at the end of the video, if you have any questions, please do post your questions in the comment section below. Now we'll see the basic details. To start with salary. So the salary is 6 lakhs per annum plus standard benefits. And the important dates, the last date to register is 14th of December. Okay, just 2 days away. 14th of December, 5 p.m. is the last day to register. And they have said tentatively the assessment will start on 17th Friday. Okay, round 1 assessment will happen on 17th Friday and round 2 on 20th December Monday. And now coming to the criteria, educational qualification, like throughout the academic career, they have said 60%. And for as far as the degree is concerned, okay, so it is for the engineering graduates. So BE, BTech, ME, MTech eligible. Now which are the branches that are eligible? So engineering graduates from CSE, ECE, IT and other computer science engineering stream, that is computer science engineering stream, for example, okay, artificial intelligence, okay, or machine learning, or IoT, cyber security, networking, okay, and so on. Okay, so in computer science itself, now there are so many other branches, okay, so information science, etc., right? So only computer science engineering stream is eligible, and like CSE, ECE and IT. So like BE, BTech, ME, MTech. And so if you had appeared the last 6 months and did not clear the technical round or the HR round, okay, so those candidates should not appear for this. And year of passing, I have already said it's only for the 2022 batch. And what is expected is a strong knowledge in data structures and algorithms is expected. In fact, the selection process is a little tough when compared to the other average companies. Okay, the online assessment, there are 2 rounds. Okay, so 2 rounds of online coding assessment. Both assessments will be on core Java. So it will be around the concepts like OOPS, data structures and algorithms, and dynamic programming. So those who qualify this online assessment, okay, so will be called for the virtual group discussion. Okay, now so throughout this, it's going to be the virtual process. Okay, so everything is going to happen online. So virtual group discussion, and then followed by virtual technical interview and the HR interview. Okay, so it is going to be a little rigorous process. Okay, and so they have given that the joining location can be Hyderabad or Pune or Bangalore or any of the EPAM India offices. I think they have offices in Chennai, Gurugram also, like, if I'm not wrong. Okay, and the training location, they have said Hyderabad, but based on the COVID situation and all that, okay, lockdown, COVID situation and all that. So based on that, like whether the training will be in physical mode in Hyderabad or through Microsoft Teams. Okay, so that will be informed later. Okay, so but for the first 3 months, it is the training period. Okay, and if suppose the candidates get selected, so the different technologies in which the candidates will be working on EPAM is for first testing. Okay, so functional and automation testing using Java or SheHas or Python, cloud and DevOps, okay, AWS, Azure, GCP, and then like in Salesforce, also in front-end technologies like JavaScript, Angular, React, Node.js, and in big data as well. Okay, and so they have said that there is a mandatory internship, okay, and during which they pay an amount of they pay a stipend of 15,000 per month. Okay, so the internship is mandatory. The candidates are expected to join EPAM on Jan 17th or February 16, 2022. And so EPAM will give semester exam break and expects NOC from respective college on the internship. Okay, and so link to apply is given in the description below. After watching the video, you can click on the link and apply. Filling the form is very easy. There are about 14 information that you have to fill out, and it's very easy. You can fill it in less than 5 minutes. Okay, so you have to enter your full name, your email ID, your mobile number, gender, and then the preferred technology in which you like to work at EPAM. But see, at the end of it, it is the company that will decide, but still they ask for the preference. Okay, so whether you want to work in the testing that I said earlier, okay, or cloud DevOps, or Salesforce, or front-end technologies, or big data, which one you want to work, okay, or you're open for anything. Okay, so that also you can fill. And then, you know, like a graduation, college name, a training and placement officer name, and training and placement officer email ID, and training and placement officer contact number. Okay, if you don't have these details, okay, so so collect it from your college, and then give the details. And better, it should not be like some random office number and all that, so it should be some specific number, because if the company wants to connect to them, they should be available. Okay, so if you give some common college number and all that, okay, so some random persons will be picking up, and they'll not be responsive and all that. So just give, you know, like specific details as far as your TPO information is concerned. Okay, and then you're asked to confirm whether you are from the 2022 batch, and then your state. Okay, so like Tamil Nadu, or Kerala, or Karnataka, or Andhra, or, you know, like whatever different states. Okay, Rajasthan, etc. Right. So how did you get to know about EPAM training? Preferred job location. Okay, so they give all the locations, or any location if you are willing, and then there is any remarks or reasons. Okay, so just you have to type if there is any. That's not a mandatory column. Okay, so I hope this information was useful to you. If you like this information, click on the like button and share it with your friends. And if you have any queries, as I said before, please post your questions in the comment section below. And if you have not already subscribed to our channel,